Want to reset ESPN Fantasy League? In this video, I will show you how you can reset your ESPN Fantasy League. The first thing you want to do is open up the ESPN Fantasy app on your device. If you don't have this, you can easily download it from Play Store or App Store. Now you want to log into your account, then tap on football, then go ahead and select your team. After that, tap on the league option. Scroll down and tap on League Manager Tools. Here you will have different options to reset. First, you can head over to Draft Settings. Now, if you want to change your date and time, you can easily do that from here. After that, tap on the Save option. After that, if you want to change the roster settings, simply head over here and then you can simply change it from here. Next, head over to Scoring Settings. Now, if you want to change the scoring settings, tap on the Reset to Default option, then tap on Yes, Reset to Default. Now tap on the Save option. Now in this way, you can individually reset all the settings in your league, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.